guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making some slime, and yeah, so we'll get right into the slime. So the first thing, my pants are just falling down. So the first thing you have to use for slime to get glue, you can use any kind of glue. You can look it up, please, because I don't have a lot of time to explain it to you. It's school glue. I've already made some. I put it in a pan because, not to be worried.
Well, if you're not going to go to bed, then I'm going to watch what I want.
See? Okay.
No, I'm not kidding. If you don't go to bed, I'm going to watch what I want.
Okay. So I have glitter. Okay, so you can use any kind of activator you want, but today I'm using Gain. I'm using Gain today. Piece of tape. Okay, so you can use any kind. You can use Tide. The regular one. Where's that? You can use this. I'm actually gonna try this and this because that's a big bottle of glue right here. Obviously, you need a bowl. Let me go get my bowl. It already has like slime and everything in there, but like a little bit, on the rings, but it's fine. So the first thing, look, we have like 6 things of glitter. We have blue glitter. We have gold, silver glitter, purple glitter, green glitter. We have 6 glitters, really. We have golden glitter. And is that all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. I think that's... I don't know which one. Oh, and red glitter. So we need to add... Oh, yeah, you always need like a spoon or something. So I don't really use a lot of glue. You can use how much ever you want. You can get them in like big jugs for like $14. Not this, it just costs $5. Alright, this is only for this one. And I put that much in there. I didn't want to be like a pig and everything, like a lot in there. Okay, I'm gonna use like a paintbrush not to paint it though, like right here, because I don't really want to go get a spoon and everything. So, and if you want to use what is that called? I forgot what that was. It's not paint. It's food dye or like dye or something like that. Like food coloring or coloring. I don't know. You put it in there before you mix it up with everything. You put glue and you put food dye. So I'm gonna. It's like. Okay, so it looks like it looks like actually when you get it out, see it's already activating. I can already see it's already activating there because I can feel it thickening in there. So yeah. So it thickened a little bit. Okay. And make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Every time I post a video, you'll get notified. Okay, so you need to add more. You add it until you see it coming together. Whoa. It's like hand sanitizer when you pour it in. You can pour it in by the bottle and everything, but I don't really like doing that. Literally says, it says any kind of glue plus this activator right here. TikTok. Sorry, somebody followed me on TikTok. And equals slime. This is right here. If you want to take a snapshot or that, yeah. Okay. So I feel it coming together. See? Coming together. Here. See? Hopefully y'all can see. If y'all can't, I'm sorry. Okay. So now You put in the glitter at the last time. If you want to, you don't have to. Okay. Let mixing together. Alright, let's see now. I need to stir it a little bit more. You also get your hands in there. I don't really want to though. You can make it in different kinds of slime. You can add shaving cream. You can add that stuff that changes into colors and it makes it like water slime and everything. Oh, okay. Let's see here. Alright, now I have to add more of that stuff because I have to my hands in here. It's nasty. Okay. Alright, that's good. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my hands in it because if you use this stuff, your slime won't turn green. But if you do use the gain, because like the gain's like green and everything, it will turn it green. But it's actually literally coloring if you want it to be. There's also a purple kind of activator you can use. It's a little bit sticky. And like a teeny bit more. Alright, right there. Got it. Alright. See? It's kind of sticky. Okay, I think this is it. Little bit. What's my little dog's name? What's my big dog? So, I got it done right here. Okay. Okay, so now I need to find like a container. Okay, look, whoa, sorry. You can put 3 batches of cute little slime in here and everything. It's like saying like you can advertise like if you want to show it off and everything. Like if you want to like show what you have, you can put your glue, your glitter, and everything in there. You can put literally anything in there. It's really cute. We got it for $15 because we got it from Amazon. We got it from Amazon. I was kind of wondering, since Amazon's like an app, is there like a store to Amazon? I never knew that. If there is, I want you to comment down below because I don't know. Okay, so now let's do it. Well, let's do the slime with this gain right here. Okay, and I will add color to the other one. I'm barely going to add it. I'm barely going to do this one. That's a lot of glue, actually. At the end of this video, I will be mixing up all my slimes together. Or maybe in the next video or something. Okay. You put it over here. I'll show you how it does. Put it over like this. You press this knob, this red knob. You do it like that. 2 holders right there. Like that. Careful because it pours out a lot. Because look, see, poured out like a lot. Okay. So now I'm going to mix it all up. And guys, I will be having merch soon. So go check that out. So if you're interested, actually, I want you to leave your name down below so I can put it on my list. Because I will be making certain kind of things. I can make them with your name on them. Because I asked my, whatever it's called, to make them up for me. So if y'all don't know how to do that, you can make a YouTube channel and start it, okay? It's hard to explain though, but I'll be posting a video of me and my Uncle Randy. He is the one that, my Uncle Randy. Me and him are going to have those kind of little chips. One little chip. It looks like a Dorito, and it comes like a little coffin, like and not really a coffin. It looks like a coffin and everything, and like so. I was wondering if y'all knew what that was called. If y'all do, I want you to comment down below because I always forget. But my Nana always remembers. So I want to. So you can see the slime is. Oh yeah, come back in like 15 days. And I'm gonna get my makeup palette. I'll get a big, like this big of a makeup palette, like that big of a makeup palette, like this long of a makeup palette, like that, like to my shoulder right there, to my like stomach. Because this is $10 makeup palette and it's 88 things of eyeshadow. It's weird. It's only $10. It's very cheap. Very cheap. Okay, so actually here's the thing about this. You literally have to add more gain than sounds weird, but the soap thing. So this is you have to add more of this for this. I don't no idea why, because I think it's not supposed to be for this. It can be, I don't know why, but it can, and I need a little bit more. Do I? Yes, I need a little bit more of the game. Teeny. Okay, hold on, maybe like that much. Whoa, sorry guys. Oh, sorry. Doing some my thing. My pickle salt, I love it. Okay. So I'm trying to. Here's how you make slime together. You just do it like this. See, look, you do it gentle and do it like that. Do it fast. And if it's still like a little bit sticky on your hands when you do this and everything, see how it like kind of sticks to my hand? You need more. You could use it with I don't like borax. I hate borax. I don't really hate things, but like I hate borax. It turns my slime into like a little rubber ball. So if anybody knows how to use the borax, because we put it in water. See, it's too sticky. So can y'all believe if y'all didn't know, there's like a Roll-A-Rama at Junction and Texas or something like that. There's a Roll-A-Rama there. Well, because I live in that state, there's a Roll-A-Rama open. Why is it open? Like, the coronavirus, hello! Okay, see, it took me like a minute, to make the other slime. It takes me really long to make this kind of slime. Everything. Sorry, my dog's hurting because she just had surgery. It's the girl. I have a boy dog and a girl dog, and I have another girl dog. But the mom and the dad is fixed. So that's good. And dad's name is Buddy, and the girl's name is Little Bit. My boy. Here. Up. Come here. Here. Hi, Buddy. Little doggy. Here. This is my other little dog. Come here. Look. It's a girl. See. Girls. Alright, let's put it down for her. Get slime on her fur. Or a jacket. I call it like a jacket because, Okay, now I'm going to add glitter to this one. Let's do it. Sorry, I'm interested. So, I'm going to use purple. Whoa, that is a lot of glitter. Okay, it's, if you can see, you can't, but it's kind of purple-ish. Okay, guys, so we finished the video. The video stops here in a second. That means I'm done. Time's up. So make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and time post video, you'll get notified. So I'll see you next time. And